Looking for how to turn on professional mode on Facebook. In this video, I show you how to turn on professional mode on Facebook. For do this, open your Facebook app. Now tap on your profile icon. Now tap on three dot. Now you can see that turn on professional mode. Tap on now turn on. Now tap on next. Next. Now tap on public suggested. Now tap on next. Now tap on confirm. Now tap on next again. Next. You can add your profile picture here. Skip for now. Now you turn on your professional mode. Go to professional mode. I hope that this video fix your problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.